Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you how to do this a braided ponytail. I'm going to be showing you 3 different methods. The third method is the best method, the easiest method. Even your grandmother can do it. So let's get started. So these are the products we're going to be using. Pre-stretched braided hair. There's 3 that come in this pack and I'm going to be using the last one. Edge control, gel. Of course, we need a detangling comb and a rat tail comb for parting. I decided I'm going to be using a middle part. Make sure to watch to the end or skip to the end to see the third easiest method to do this braided ponytail to last 2 weeks. For hair care and beauty tips, make sure to subscribe to the club and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. One of the things that I'm going to be doing is to prep my hair first. I'm going to be doing a middle part. So because of that, I'm going to also oil my scalp. Now the oil is a herbal oil and it not only gives a tingling on the scalp, it also conditions the scalp as well as stimulate growth. One of the things that I've been doing lately is making sure that I massage my scalp because I have noticed that massaging the scalp does stimulate growth. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you the first method of adding your ponytail that I found here on YouTube. Let me know in the comments section if this method you prefer. I'm going to be telling you the reason why this method is not a good method. Most of the channels that I found doing this braided ponytail, they always bring the hair forward, then put the hair back in order to start the braid. If you're not a person who knows how to braid, this method is going to have difficulty. If you're not familiar with braiding your own hair, the braided hair will start to slide off of your natural hair. So this method I don't recommend. Okay, I'm going to be smoothing the hair down with some edge control to control the hair a bit. But as you can see, when I start to braid the hair begins to slide away from my own hair. And that method is just not working. Okay, so we just have to do this over again. Let's go back to the drawing board. So I'm going to take this out and I'm going to detach this. So let's try this a different way. Okay guys, for the second method, I also found some difficulty. With this method, you don't need a ponytail holder. You apply the braiding hair to your own hair and start braiding. As you can see, braiding the hair this way, also the hair started sliding off. I'm not sure if this happens because my hair is not thick and I have relaxed hair. This method I also do not recommend. And as you can see guys, the braid is not braiding straight, it's not braiding neat, and I definitely would not do my braided ponytail this way. Comment down below, let me know what you think of the first 2 methods and what would you do in my case. For the third method, the easiest method, the best method, this method, your grandmother can do it. All you have to do is get up, find somewhere to braid the hair yourself. Simply braid the hair before applying it to your ponytail. And that's it. When you do it this way, it's not only easier, it's more efficient, it's more quick. You get through doing your ponytail in just 2 to 3 minutes. And this is the best way to do your ponytail. Easy, simple, cute. Let me know what you think in the comments section doing it this way. If you guys are learning anything new, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Okay guys, so I'm back. I just want to check to see how my hair is looking underneath this. It should be dry by now. I'm not sure, but because I had to push this back a little bit to put my makeup on, I have a feeling that I'm going to have to do some adjusting to that. So let's check. Okay, so it's looking pretty fine, but let's just clean up this area. Now, I won't be doing my edges because you guys know I am trying to grow back my edges because of what happened to me in my last relaxer update. You guys can check that in the description box below. So let's just go ahead and fix that up a bit. I'm going to be using a little bit of mousse. Okay guys, so there you have it. Easy, breezy, beautiful braided ponytail. Let me know in the comments section. So what I do at nights, I thought I needed to sleep with the ponytail in my hair. You don't. I just unhook it, go to bed, then in the morning rehook it, and that's it. Okay, so I'm going to be leaving my hair like this for at least 2 weeks. I'm going to be just tying it down just like so, and then I'm going to be rolling up the back. And I'm going to just show you guys what the back looks like. I hope it looks good. Let me know in the comments section what you think of the style. I can wear it like this as well, which I think is like super cute. But what I'm going to do is add some mousse to the length of the braid just to preserve it somewhat. So I'm just going to do about 3 pumps, and I'm just going to just press that in and smooth it down. I'm going to smooth that down. I know that some persons prefer to put it in the hot water. When you do put it in the water, that helps to loosen the braid and that stiffness will go away. But I want it to be stiff like that for now, until as the weeks goes on it will probably loosen up a bit, but I want it to be as stiff like that. I'm not sure if some of the times when I'm going to work, if it's a good idea to roll it like that, but for now I'm going to be leaving it down just like this. Let me know what you guys think in the comments section. If you guys love hair and beauty tips, please don't forget to subscribe to the club. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Hashtag Hair Obsessed Club. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Adios.